Are you a New York small business owner who keeps hearing about BOP insurance, but have no idea what it actually covers or if you need it? You'll know if it's right for you and how it could save you from major financial disaster. Coming up in this video, you're going to learn three important things. Policy, or BOP, includes and how it bundles key coverages like property and liability into one simple plan, like a Happy Meal for your insurance. Everything you need in one box, who actually qualifies for a BOP in New York, and why some businesses get rejected. And finally, how to make sure you're not overpaying or missing critical protections in your current policy, especially with how fast insurance costs are rising. Sounds good? Let's get into this. Let's start with the basics. A business owner's policy, or BOP, is a special insurance package designed for small to mid-sized businesses here in New York. Think of it like a Happy Meal or even a box of Cracker Jacks. You get your burger, your fries, and a drink all in one order. Instead of buying each of them separately, just like the meal deals at the restaurant, bundling everything together usually saves you money. A BOP works the same way. It combines the core coverages most businesses need, like property insurance and general liability, into one simplified, cost-effective policy. And just like Cracker Jacks or Happy Meal, there's usually a surprise inside. Many come with built-in enhancement, or they call endorsements in insurance speak. These are extra coverages that can add serious value, like business interruption coverage or equipment breakdown, like the packing peanuts. Technically useful, but probably not the reason you bought the policy in the first place. The best part, you're not stuck with just what comes in the box. If your business has unique risk, you can add more endorsements to the coverage, like cyber liability or outdoor signage or spoilers protection. That said, here's something most people don't realize. These extras can look impressive on the declaration page, but many business owners either never file claims for them or don't even know they're included. Understanding what's actually in your and whether it fits your business is so important. Every business in New York automatically qualifies for a business owner's policy. Insurance companies design BOPs for businesses that fit a lower risk class, more predictable profile. They're built for Main Street businesses. Think of it as the kind of places you'd see in a small town or suburban downtown, a retail store, a cafe or pizza shop, a dry cleaner or barber, a boutique, law office or accountant, a local plumber or HVAC contractors. These are businesses with more predictable foot traffic, moderate risk, and limited property exposures. Who usually doesn't qualify? Higher risk contractors. Plumber? Usually yes. A roofer? Never. Industrial businesses with heavy equipment, higher liability industries like nightclubs or cannabis shops, larger operations with multiple locations or high revenue, businesses with a history of frequent claims or insurance lapses. Their insurance eligibility can vary differently based upon what happens inside. That's where a broker like us comes in, to match your business with the right carrier. What's included in a BOP? Let's break down the key coverages. Property coverage covers your building if you own it, but even if you lease it, it covers your business personal property, equipment inventory. So basically, if you took your building, shook it upside down, everything fell out, that's your personal property, equipment inventory. Improvements you made to the building. Think about the cost of transferring your rented office or storefront into your own custom space. The paint, the lighting, the desks, phone systems, photos, it all adds up. General liability is included. That protects you from lawsuits or property damage you cause to others. That could be someone slipping or falling on your floor, an injury at an off-site event. Business interruption insurance. If a fire or a covered loss shuts you down, this helps replace your loss of income and keeps things afloat. And after a disaster, you still have to pay your rent. You still owe money on your leased equipment. You still need to get paid yourself. You have bills. And if you got key employees you can't afford to lose, you want to keep them paid too. That's what business interruption or loss of income coverage covers. Overpay or underinsured. A BOP only works if it matches your business. You might be overpaying if your business has downsized, but your policy wasn't updated. Be underinsured if your property limits are outdated. You've added new services or equipment that aren't listed. You don't have business income coverage, or it's too limited. Overpaying stings, but not having the coverage you need when something goes wrong can shut your business down. At Joyce Insurance, we make it easy to find out. We'll review your current BOP, break down what's included and what's not, and compare it with top carriers across New York, so you can see if you're overpaying, underinsured, or both. And we'll explain everything in plain English. No jargon, no pressure, just solid advice. Want to keep learning? Watch our next video on how to read your insurance declaration page without getting a headache. Let's make sure your policy protects what you've built and saves you money while it does. Insurance, old school service, modern convenience, and probably price better than you expected.